Do you want to transfer all data from old to new Samsung phone? We'll guide you through how to transfer all data from old to new Samsung phone step by step. First, keep your old phone on and nearby. Turn your new Samsung phone on. When you see Samsung Galaxy logo, then wait few seconds. On the welcome screen, tap Start. You'll see End User License Agreement Privacy Policy. Scroll down and tap Agree. At this point, on your old phone, a pop-up Setup Galaxy will appear automatically. Tap Setup on the old phone. It will ask Turn on Bluetooth. Tap Continue. On the new phone, choose Galaxy or Android device. A QR code will appear. On the old phone, tap Scan the QR code. Scan the QR shown on the new phone. The new phone will ask Enter PIN from old phone. Enter your old phone's lock PIN. Enter your email. Next, enter your password. Next, two-step verification. Tap Yes, it's me on the old phone. Check the number matches. Then confirm. On phone number page, tap Yes, I'm in. Google Terms I agree. If it says Connect to mobile network, tap Setup later in settings. It will ask Copy data from your Android device. Tap Next. It will ask Transfer your data. Tap Agree in permissions screen. Tap Allow. Choose Wireless. If it asks Disconnect Wi-Fi for faster transfer, tap Disconnect in. Choose All data. Tap Next. If a WhatsApp backup warning appears, tap Next. Both phones will show transferring. Then keep your old phone screen on. On email page, tap Next. On the password screen, tap Sign in. On the verification page, tap Yes on old phone. Enter code shown on old phone. Tap Verify. On Intelligent Features page, tap Next. On this page, tap on Skip. In Samsung Services screen, tap on Agree. On Recommended Apps, tap Next. On Essential Apps, tap Next. It will say You're all set up, tap Home. If Discover Apps appears, tap Later. Confirm Yes. Your new phone home screen will open. Your data will keep transferring in the background. Got any problem? Share in comment. Thanks.